Hello everyone, welcome to With Care. I'm here today with my little guy Fred, who's about 6.5 months old, and we're going to be showing you how to feed some Greek yogurt to your little one in a really easy way. It's a recipe called Snowballs, and you can modify it in lots of different ways with whatever you've got at home. But today we're going to be doing some banana snowballs, so I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna give Fred a single snowball in front of him on the table. There you go, bud. And he can pick this up, grasp it, bring it to his mouth. And if he does get in his mouth, it's nice and soft, really nice and smushy. It's made with tons of great ingredients, so getting lots of healthy food into him while he's learning to serve himself. Good job, bud. Is that yummy? Yeah, really yummy. Good job. Gag it up.